The work, don't have to do nothing but me. Don't have to think, don't have to fight, but you might be thinking. I'm a beast, I'm a monster, baby. I'm a beast, I'm a monster, baby. A masterpiece. I'm the one and only.
Kind of sound like it's almost got like a champion feel to it.
Yeah.
You know, like I like that.
That's cool. I was thinking when we were writing that "Can't Nobody Do Me" part, like I was thinking anthem, and so that champion feel to it sound like an anthem. Try and copy my signature, so who am I? So who am I? Original made. I am one of a kind, kinda like Ace of Spades.
Any thoughts?
I'm a beast. I'm a monster, baby. I'm a beast. I'm a monster, baby. A masterpiece. Here we go. It's 8 a.m. and it's night. Here we are. What is this? Fast Ashley? Like a girl that's fast. You know about that. Fast Ashley. And we're about to do a little... No, go ahead.
Action. You're about to do a music video featuring Tramaine Montell Ford.
Video diary. What's today's date?
January.
You think you know? You have no idea. So what's the deal? You gonna bring me?
Yeah, they hating cause they can't get in to the table, hot spot, chillin' on some flash. Pop another bottle. You know this is it. Yo, pull another class of that exclusive and get on the floor cause it's
Let's welcome our featured guest, Tramaine Montell Ford. It's a one-man show, right? So you play like a bazillion characters in the Tramaine experience. What do you think is your favorite to play?
You know, people ask me that all the time. My favorite character...
Tramaine?
Oh, I knew there was a show going on today for Tramaine.
Yeah.
But I know that shit was tonight. I wouldn't want to get dropped. They gonna whiskey, a hooker, or a tea bag, and a top salad. That's your man right there. I'm gonna act like he ain't even right there. Laying on the outside, put a freak in the bed, you know what I'm saying? Shit that ain't my floor, they ain't how to get down, so I'm gonna just express myself the best way I know how to express myself. Almost. Hey, yo, y'all get my mixtape? Oh, yeah. You know that? Got the whole town with his head hurt cause the compilation of my beats. I'm hoping you can handle all the niggas that be staring. I'm money and Versace trying to check out what the better.
Camera.
You know, I think if we just style her a little bit this way so that it's just, so that you have that action over the eyes.
See, it's a solo Laquanda.
This is Solo Laquanda?
Yeah.
Hi everybody, my name is LaQuanza Jenkins.
I think it's
This
good.
is it?
Yeah, that's it, baby. That's
Hello, LaQuanda. How are you?
What's good? What y'all doing? You know?
You're on the radio right now.
I'm on the radio? Oh! Okay, yeah!
Remember me, LaQuanza Jenkins? And he should have put a ring on it. Okay. Ron from the do routine, so I'll call you back.
I think I want to have some flyers in my purse.
Okay.
Get a few out. To involve people more.
Right.
So But you was filming it. Right, I should have
Nice.
What's good? We're at the photo shoot for the Crew comedy sketch group. And we're doing some fun photos today in Central Park. We're jumping off of rocks and stuff. Now, I don't have insurance, so if I hurt myself, I don't know who's going to pay for it.
Burn your body for me. I know you're liking this kicking, but I told you.
Give myself medical attention. But I think we're going to be okay. We're having so much fun, and
hard to keep your shoe on.
the last thing we want right now is for someone to get hurt.
Especially in the summer.
Say what's up.
What's going on? Right?
Photo shoot.
What? What? Do that again?
Did he grab his foot? What?
Did. It was bad.
Now do it. Damn, I think he's showing us off.
Yeah.
I think we got to do a retrial.
Right?
Redo. Redo. I hear it's a competition. Woo. God damn.
Right?
24's got the Chi-Town held down. I'ma make you wanna choose me right now. Yes, no, maybe so. Catch a cutie by the toe. I'ma give you some of this. How about that?
So, here we go. We're in a cab, and I'm with the beautiful, lovely, wonderful Kristen.
We're on our way to go record. Which songs are we doing? We're probably not allowed to tell.
We're doing,
We're gonna record secret
songs. That's all I can give you.
What up? What's up, Eddie?
You want to film us from there so that there's a nice wide shot?
And the cab driver too. It's always good when the makeup person is gorgeous. And I have bad allergies, so I sound like I'm sick, but I'm not. Everybody's trying to stay away from me because I sound like I'm coughing up a lung.
My wife's been like that for like 3 days.
Yeah, it's allergies.
Fucked up. The allergies got it good.
I'm excited for the day. Can you say hi to my sister? Give a shout out to my sister Kiara.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah, it's a video.
What's her name?
Kiara.
Kiara. Hello, Kiara.
She loves you. And we're gonna get out pretty early today because we're starting early, so that's always good. Have the rest of the day to enjoy some of the sun, right?
Of course.
And until later, I gotta turn these videos off so I don't get in trouble because somebody was like, "Oh, you're showing the
I got experience with one night like
That's what I told him. I thought this was important for him to do. Because you see how excited they get? It's like they need to see this. Exactly.
Yeah, you're dreaming, no, you screaming, cause I'm not leaving till I finish my rap. You see this halo, you see these wings, I'm an angel of nutrition, here to do my thing. You can beat yourself, but you won't wake up. I'm a dream maker, a bad habit breaker, here to guide you to a healthier life. You dish your body, you dish your mind, you show enough dish yourself. Now the food you ate, you ready to see your plate. You wanna look great, you gotta watch your weight. You wanna feel good, eat what you should. Cause you got the power, you got the might to eat right and keep it light. Yo, you got the power, you got the might to eat right and keep it light. Now, I don't mean to be rude, but if you think eating junk food is down, you ain't down. You a clown. Cause it may be fast and it may be cheap, but if it's all you eat, your diet's incomplete. Watching what you eat is no great feat, cause you are what you eat. And like a parakeet, I repeat, you are what you eat. Cause you got the power, you got the might to eat right and keep it light. You got the power, you got the might to eat right and keep it light. Food in your body's like money in the bank, putting gas in the tank, gas in the tank.
It's the whole brain food fiesta, whole brain food fiesta. Oh, it's the whole brain food fiesta, whole brain food.
I need another pen. It's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. We just finished taping, and now we are on our way back to the recording studio. Guys, how was your experience taping?
It was wonderful. I loved it.
Okay.
Still taping. We're still taping.
Hello, I am Susan McBrien, and I get to kiss this hunka man. The highlight of the show for me.
You gave it away.
Well, there was something I was going to ask. I was going to...
In, out, turn, down, turn, step, second, two, down,
Guys, are we excited about the space? No? All right, Jet has a bad attitude. What about Evan? Evan's excited? Kariba? You excited about the space?
Yes.
All right, so we got 140 seats. And then we got all of this working space. So what do you think about LaQuanda's wig choices?
I love her. I think she's just, I think if we just style her a little bit this way so that it's just, so that you have that action over the eyes. It's just très sexy.
Yeah, it's better than that one.
I think so. So, yeah, and it's so luscious back here. Just so luscious.
I am with the lovely Isabel Rubio.
Hello.
This is my costume designer for the Tramaine experience. And we're trying on wigs for the character of LaQuanda Jenkins. What do you guys think? With the full beard? You don't think we're going to go with this one, right?
No.
All right.
It's a little secretary.
We're going to go with the longer one.
Yep.
Is day one of the Skin Tina Thompson Dance Company show. We have a show today at 7 o'clock p.m. People doing their toes.
Yeah, that's for after. So at least my toes could look like something.
So it is 12:36 on Friday, and I am on my way to the recording studio. I'm exhausted, but it's okay. Hi. I'm going to the recording studio downstairs. I'm tired, but that's okay because I'm gonna have fun. I'm getting to do what I love, and that's the thing that you should always focus on. Thank you so much.
Go to basement 3.
We'll be recording a new cartoon
Okay.
today. Hey, Andrew, how are you?
I'm good. I'll be back around 1.
Cool. See ya.
Everyone's reading through the episode right now downstairs.
Okay. Episode 1 and 2 of a new cartoon, and thank God I don't have to be on set today, but I do have to still work.
Oh, fantastic.
Hi.
Perfect timing.
There's
An actor
Xavier.
goes out and a new actor comes in. Oh, now you're taping your reality show. Yeah, I love it.
How's everything?
Yeah, fantastic. Fantastic.
Guys, I'm gonna need you to keep it down in the hallway. I'm gonna need you to keep it down in the hallway, please. Well. It is okay. Listen to your inner voice. Wait, how's it go? The way you make me feel. So, here we go at ABC, and I'm giving you backstage access right now. Okay, we can't get anybody to naked. Everybody dressed in here? La, la,
You think?
la, la. Here we go, day 4, right?
Day 4.
Day 4. One life to live. And I only have one life to live. So I'm gonna document it. We just finished a dry, it's called. A dry is when you rehearse on set for the camera blocking. It's a dry rehearsal. We'll be doing the moistened rehearsal a little bit later. We'll be getting wet. We'll be getting leaky. Tiki leaky. Tiki leaky. Tiki freaky leaky. And then we will be shooting. They are not feeding us. I'm hungry and they're not letting us on a break. Gotta be very quiet. First official shot of the day. Yeah. I feel like I'm carrying the show. Jane, actually, can we cut that? Yeah.
We gotta go. Joe, sit him on the box. Let's go. Camera 1. Okay, Larry, we're ready for you. What do you have?
Ha ha ha. I got a big ego. Ego, she love my big ego. Ego, she love my big ego. I like to joke around a little bit, but here we go. Welcome to the wonderful world. Everything I throw. This is what we do at ABC on our downtime. We all love Beyonce, right? I love it. Yes, good. So nice. It's on, baby, let's get lost. You don't need to call it over, cause you're for real, want you to show me how you feel. I can sit on myself, that's a big deal. Why? Well, they got the keys to my heart. I'd rather you open up my body. Y'all are really going in on this track here. It's too big, it's too wide. He's really singing that part. Too
I know that we'll have a ball. Get down and go out and lose it all. Feels fun, just that.
So, here we go. We're at One Life to Live on set. We're in my dressing room, and these guys, I was so nice enough to let them in my dressing room today. If I were a boy, and I'm getting ready to shoot our first episode of the show. And I'm scared because I have to carry the show. I have that one line that show.
Party, all I do is win. Yeah, they hating cause they can't get in to the table, hot spot, chillin' on some fly. We gon' another bottle. You know this is it. So cool, another concert exclusive.
Let's take you to hair and makeup so you can see some of the stars without their makeup on. See what they look like. They'll look like what they look like on TV.
Well, my first run,
I think they do.
I was using the first run as a warm-up. So I got that in like 8.5.
And this is how we waste our time. This is how we when we're waiting to go on set. This is how we waste our time. And this is Jonathan Bright, everyone. The amazing Jonathan Bright from Germany. Your ancestors are, at least, right? And he is the man who has taught me how to harmonize. And my other note is, we're gonna work on it, so we don't want you to catch that on tape. You already did.
To go use profanity. Are you? See this? Are you tasing me? It's safe for audiences.
Wait, Roger, don't you videotape me.
Rachel May, how to make a PB and J sandwich in an airport in Hangzhou, China, without any utensils. You gotta get hands in, but that's okay, because you know that's with love. And I'm clean. I swear. You better eat all of it too. Clean your plate.
Yes, we are at the airport, aren't we?
I'm tired.
And she's really on the floor making food. On the floor making food. Marja, you got some chicken?
Just
No?
mac and cheese in there, girl.
Okay, just PB&J. All right. Scott, what you think?
Give me a sandwich.
And the people over here are taping us.
Are they really? Oh, great.
And I'm
We
gonna
got
wave
people
at them,
taping
and they're
us
gonna act like they're not
with their
taping.
camera phone.
See, she turned it off.
Trying to
Because
fake
I
it.
waved at her. She knew I saw. You should start taping her back.
Let's not run out my battery.
Did you really
know.
tape me?
School around, she was the last person they expected to see.
There's only two ways out of here. Jumping on a broomstick or dark magic. I look like pro Quidditch material to you?
From the people who brought you Harry Potter and the Half-Blood.
So, here we go. We're on set and we're having a great time. These people, these kids here, God bless them. They are just a delight to work with, but they've never done this before, so I'm gonna need to give them a little bit of advice. Here we got Roz. We got Jade over here, sitting here acting like she's bored. She's bored. We got Anthony on the phone with his mom. Isabel, isn't she beautiful? Riot, like the color red, but ghetto Riot. And then so I just got in wardrobe and had to get directly right back out of it because they gave us an opportunity to eat, so I'm starving and I have to go get something. So I hurried up and took that effing costume off and I'm going to go eat. Got 45 minutes, hit it and quit it. So here we go, that's a wrap. We've had a long day. Say a little something high for the camera. Is that cool?
What do you want me to say?
Give us your name.
Vinny.
Vinny, and Vinny's a wonderful person. He sees us every morning at the end of our days, and we're here all day, right?
Yes, you are. For the next, what, week and a half also?
Yeah, that's right. See you tomorrow, Vinny. Actually, not tomorrow, but the day after. Bye. That is my... See, I'm doing a person.
Montell Ford.
Don't videotape me. What I tell you about that? Videotape me. You videotape me if you put this on Facebook. Or I tell you if you put this on Facebook. If you put this on Facebook. If you put this on Facebook, you know what's gonna happen?
Else out there, who's gonna wake me up? Who's gonna hold my hand? Who's gonna make my bed with me before I even ask?